The material required is any base. I have taken this cardboard, then L'Oreal beads, any plain fabric. I have taken red plain fabric, earring base, earring stud, needle and thread, cutter and scissor, Fevibond glue, pen. Then I'm taking this perfume bottle as a base to draw the circle. So first of all, I'm taking this cardboard, and with the help of pen and perfume bottle, I will draw a circle to this here. So we need half circle. So I usually don't draw half circle because it takes time to draw. So I have this jugaad, so you can say. Now I'll quickly cut this circle. So I have cut this circle, and now we will fold this here, and then from this middle one we will just crop this. So with this we are getting this two base. So now we are going to apply the fabric to this. So I will show you to the one. So I'm taking this fabric, and first I will measure how much it is required, and I'll cut accordingly. Now with the help of Fevibond glue, we are going to apply this here. We are going to stick this fabric to this base. So I'll quickly apply this fabric. So guys, you can see I have applied the fabric, and this is how it turns out to be. So we need two base like this. So I have already made one. So likewise we need this. Now we will start our further work. So you can see, if you can see the design in thumbnail, it is like this. So we will place these two on each other like this, and we'll wait for them to get dry. So I'm taking this Fevibond glue again, and to this side where we are going to apply, to this side we are going to stick this, apply Fevibond glue, and we are going to apply this side on this one like this. So it will, so this is the pattern you can see. So we'll wait for this to get dry, but before that I'm just keeping it like this, that is the back side on upper one, and I'll apply this earring stud also for now, so that they will dry simultaneously and we won't waste much time. So now we will wait for this to get dry. It will take a little bit amount of time to get this dry, and once this get dry we will continue our further work. So guys, you can see this has dried little bit, and now we are going to do the back finishing. So for that I'm taking this, and first I'll measure how much it is required. So I will cut this part, and we are going to stick it over here. So now we are going to add ample amount of Fevibond glue. Okay, make sure to add some here also, and now I'll keep it here and just simply put this fabric on this. So yeah, make sure to push, make sure to give pressure to this side here on the edges. And now we will again wait for a while to get this dry, and then we'll start. So guys, this has dried up now, and now we will cut this quickly. Cutted this, and now we are going to add these L'Oreals in this. So for that I'm taking this thread and needle, and to this side, so here is our stud. To this down side we are going to add L'Oreals. So first I will make a knot. I'll make 2 knots here just to strengthen this. And now I'm going to add L'Oreals to fill all this half circle. So first I'll fill the L'Oreals quickly, and then I'll tell you the exact number of L'Oreals that I have used over here. So guys, you can see I have filled up, and these are 107 L'Oreals that are total required. So now at the end, that is here, I'll again make a knot. And after leaving some space, I will make knots to secure this one. Okay, so I have made the knots, and you can see this has attached properly. And now I will finally make, I feel I need one more here, so I will make a knot, one more knot here. Okay, so this is done, and I will finally secure it here. And with this, our beautiful earrings are ready. So this is, and this one is second.
Our earrings are finally ready. Aren't they very beautiful and gorgeous earrings? So do make these ones, and let me know how do you like my video through likes and comments. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. See you soon in the next video. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.